I think my mother was perhaps in her 80s when she had an Angora furred cat around the house. She was a fanatical housekeeper. Her eyes weren't as good as they used to be. My mother liked to have these family and friends get-togethers where a bunch of people would come to her house, and she'd make her lovingly mixed cookies. I thought I would try some of the cookies. She'd have other kinds of foods too, but the cookies were one of her favorite things to make. The cookies tasted fine, but I noticed that when they cracked or crumbled a bit, the crumbs would not fall. They just sort of dangled. And I realized they were laced together with enough Angora cat fur to keep things from falling apart. If the cookie cracked, it wouldn't break. It wouldn't actually break apart. I guess that's sort of like steel reinforcement. I had served these and everybody was eating them. Nobody noticed anything. And I certainly couldn't tell her, nor could I tell anyone else about it. I figured it must be okay because I never heard of any guests coughing up fur balls.